Hello, welcome to our channel. I'm Chooks from the manager, and you're about to have an exciting learning experience. I remember the first time I noticed that a post on a website was 3 minutes long. I read the post to the end. That was my early days as a medium reader, and I was impressed by that function. If you've ever come across a read time indicator like this, or a progress bar like this, on a website while using the internet, and you would like to add such function to your website, this is your chance to learn how to do it. Keep watching, and in a moment we'll get to it. Welcome back. A reading progress bar encourages your audience to keep reading by displaying how much of the content is left to be read. A post read time works in the same manner by encouraging your site visitor to start reading your post, knowing the average time it will take him or her to complete reading the post. In this video, we will give you a step-by-step guide on how you can add these useful tools to your website. To add these functions to your post, we'll use a WordPress plugin named ReadMeter. We'll begin by installing the plugin from the Add New Plugin page on your WordPress dashboard. So click Add New, and then we'll search for the name of the plugin, ReadMeter. We'll use this particular plugin, ReadMeter, by Brainstorm Force. Install and activate. Post installation and activation, you can access the plugin through the Settings tab of your WordPress dashboard. When the settings page of the plugin opens up, you will find 4 tabs. We will use these 4 tabs to apply these tools to our web page. We will be using this particular post to illustrate it. As you can see, this post currently does not have a read time indicator nor a progress bar. So let's go over to our settings. And the first tab is the general settings, where we can pick whether to display our tools or indicators on posts or pages. We will choose to display them on posts only. After making that setting, you save. And then we'll move over to the next tab, which is the read time tab, where, like the name suggests, you can show the length of time it takes to read a given content. Like we can see in our example post here. Going back to our settings, you have the first option that says show estimated read time on single post, a home page or archive page. We will decide to show it just on single posts because it's more effective there and more meaningful. The next option says read time position. So it's asking us where are we going to place the read time. In this particular post, we'll see that the read time is directly below the title. But from our options, you can see that we can put it above the content, above the post title, or below the post title. Let's use below the post title like we have in our sample. After we pick that option, more options are revealed to us. This option says read time prefix, and this one says read time postfix. These are the words that come after the number that indicates the read time. In this case, the number is 5. The postfix is the words that come after the number 5, and the prefix are any words you choose to come before the number 5. So we'll leave it as is, and the other settings in the tab, this particular option decides the size of the read time, and these other ones decide the design. You could also choose to change the color to suit your brand. Pick the choices you want, the choices that please you, and click save. Saving it, we'll move on to the next tab, from where we can add the progress bar to our posts. So to add a progress bar, we'll change the value of this first option, display position, from none to top of the page, which is where it is in this our sample post. After we chose top of the page, you can see that we have other options. These options is about the styling and these ones about the color. Make sure you pick the colors that suit your brand and save. Now that we've saved our settings, we'll now go over to our posts. We previously didn't have a read time indicator or a progress bar indicator. Let's refresh. Now we can see it. Now we have a read time indicator here. It says it's a 6 minutes read, and as we scroll down we notice the progress bar indicator showing us how much of the content is left to be read. So there you have it. You can now improve pros engagement by adding reading time progress bar and read time indicators to your website. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video and share the knowledge you gained. Till next time, cheers.